Which one, Nana? Velocity of the man is 5 kilometers per hour. That one only?
Speed 5, increase rain 30 degree.
Yes. Next, write a problem. Rain is falling. Rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertically at 10√3 kilometers per hour. At 10√3 kilometers per hour. Full stop. A man is running at 10 kilometers per hour. Man is running at 10 kilometers per hour. Then find the angle with vertical. Find the angle with vertical at which you have done already. Yes, very good. At which he should hold the umbrella. See that rain is falling vertically. Rain is falling vertical at 10√3 kilometers per hour. Man is running at what speed? 10 kilometers per hour. You have to find out the angle of umbrella. What is the answer? 30 degrees. See that rain is falling vertically downwards. Rain is falling vertically downwards with what speed? 10√3 kilometers per hour. This is the velocity of rain. Then man is moving at what speed? He is moving 10 kilometers per hour. Then at what angle he should hold the umbrella? That is what they are asking. So man is moving like this, 10 kilometers per hour. Now where the resultant vector will come? Slantly only, like this, na, hypotenuse only, na? So that the rain is falling in this direction. Rain is falling in this direction. Rain is appearing, actually rain appears to fall in this direction. So that theta you have to find out. So the velocity of the rain is there in this direction, nothing but he has to hold the umbrella in opposite direction, obviously. So that theta, here theta is equals to how much? Tan theta is equals to what I can write? Opposite by adjacent, that is how much? 10 by 10√3. Then what happens? This one as 1 by √3. At what angle? Theta is equals to 30 degrees. So he should hold the umbrella with theta is equals to 30 degrees with the vertical. Correct? So here the main thing is rain is falling vertically downwards 10√3. Man is running at what speed? 10 kilometers per hour. Now in which direction he has to hold the umbrella? For example, man is running in this direction and then rain is falling in vertically downward direction. Whenever he is in rest, rain will fall vertically downwards. Whenever he is moving, then what happens? Rain will fall slantly. So how much slantly? Nothing but what angle? Theta equals to 30 degrees. If rain is falling like this, I have to hold my umbrella in this way. So this angle is 30, means this angle also what? 30 only, obviously. So that theta equals to 30 with vertical. That's the answer for that. Next. A man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour. A man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour in topless car. On a rainy day. He holds an umbrella at 37 degrees with vertical so that he does not wet. Full stop. If the raindrops falls vertically downwards, what is the rain velocity? 4 meters per second. Whoever have done already, then they can say the answer, that is 4 meter per second. Remaining people, you try that. Man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour on a topless car on a rainy day. He holds umbrella at what angle? 37 degrees with vertical, so that he does not wet. Then you have to find out the velocity of the rain whenever it is falling vertically downwards. Finished, huh? Easily you can get the answer, don't do much. Rain is falling 37 degrees and then he is moving on a topless car on a horizontal road. Rain is appears to fall, he is holding the umbrella, nothing but it is relative velocity, na, otherwise original velocity. Na. Holding umbrella, he is moving and then holding the umbrella. It is appearing like that. That's important. If you take directly velocity of the rain, then what you will find? In the question what they asked, you have to find out the original velocity of the rain. You are taking again velocity of the rain only, you are finding that only. Yes? Did you get the answer? Anybody get the answer? Raise your hands. Yes, you people got yesterday only. Then nobody got today. See that I will make the diagram first. A man traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour in topless car. You might be got the answer in kilometers per hour. They have given the answer in 4 meters per second. Okay, what is the answer you got? Tell me first of all. Kilometers per hour, how much you got the answer? Did not get that? People tried at least. If you don't try nothing but I will not teach this problem. If you tried, you did not get the answer, then only I will teach this one. You tried? See that a man traveling at a 10.8 kilometers per hour on a topless car. Just change the units 10.8 kilometers per hour. You have to convert meter per second, nothing but what you have to do? 5 by 18. How many times this is? 0.6 times, no? So what is the velocity now? 3 meters per second. Correct? The man is moving, traveling at 10.8 kilometers per hour in a topless car on a rainy day. So here the man is moving in the car. Man is standing here and then he was moving in a car with what speed? I said 3 meters per second. This is the velocity of the man. Then after that he holds an umbrella at an angle how much? 37 with vertical, so that he does not wet. He is holding the umbrella in this direction. With what angle? 37 degrees with vertical. So in this direction he is holding the umbrella. Now horizontally how much speed is there? 3 meters per second. They have given clearly angle. What you have to find out? You have to find out if the raindrops falling vertically. Nothing but what is the velocity of the rain in which direction? Vertically downward direction. You have to find out the VR value only. How can you find out there? Tan 37 is equals to opposite by adjacent. So that what I can write? Tan 37 is equals to opposite is how much? 3 divided by VR. So that tan 37 value is how much? 3 by 4. 3 gets cancelled. VR is equals to 4 meters per second. In which direction? In which direction it is falling? Rain is falling in which direction? Vertically downward direction. So that minus j cap you can put. ఇంకేయండి అమ్మా, ఇంకేయండి. ఒక్కదానికి కూడా ఇంక లేదు అసలు. సైన్ తీసుకుంటే దిస్ విల్ బి ద హైపోటనస్. నో, యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ సైన్. VRM, వై యూ ఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ VRM? దే ఆస్క్డ్ ఓన్లీ VR. Rain drops are falling vertically downwards. What is the velocity of the rain? What you have found out? Velocity of the rain with respect to man you find out. Understand? What? I did not understand. Angle, always with vertical only you have to take. Angle should be with vertical only. I think I said this point I said. Always we have the rain will fall vertically only, so that you have to take the angle with vertical. Until unless they mention that is with the horizontal, you should not take horizontal. If they mention with vertical or not with vertical also, you have to take as what? Always angle is making with respect to the vertical only. Horizontal, if they specified, then only you have to take. Umbrella you are holding nothing but you should not say the answer in terms of horizontal angle. Always you have to say, for example, if I hold my umbrella like this is the angle I have to talk about. So that is what? With vertical or with horizontal? With vertical. Okay na? So rain is falling in this direction. This is the angle of the rain. Then this is the angle of the umbrella. That's it, no? Understand it clearly? Then next problem. Raindrops are falling. Raindrops are falling. Black dilla. Black dilla. Raindrops are falling vertically downwards with a velocity of 4 kilometers per hour. With a velocity of 4 kilometers per hour. Full stop. The velocity with which they appear to fall down. The velocity with which they appear to fall down to a man. They appear nothing but what you have to find there? Relative velocity. They appear to fall down to a man traveling at 2 kilometers per hour. Traveling at 2 kilometers per hour. Find the answer. Ma Deepi, ఆ క్లాస్లో పట్టరా అసలు? పడతారా పట్టరా? ముందు కూర్చుంటే పడతారా పట్టరా? ఎస్ పడతా 15 పట్టరా? పడతారు కదా? షల్ వి మూవ్ దెన్? ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ కంఫర్టబుల్. అవ్వదు క్లాస్ అవ్వదు ఈరోజు. ఎస్ చలో గో. Yes, you got the answer? What's the answer? 2√5 is the answer. Everybody got right? Shall I tell? Otherwise not necessary. Not necessary. Anybody else? Shall I do? Yes, I'll do. Raindrops are falling vertically downwards. Nothing but the velocity of the rain. Inka hakidra Kushi. Velocity of the rain is there vertically downwards with what speed? 4 kilometers per hour. Then the velocity with which they appear, nothing but what you have to find out? Relative velocity of the rain with respect to man you have to find out, which they appear to fall down to a man at what speed? 2 kilometers per hour. The man is moving at 2 kilometers per hour. What you have to find out now? Relative velocity of rain with respect to man you have to find out. So that in which direction it will be there? Obviously resultant VRM is there like this. Then you have adjacent and then you have opposite. What you can find out? You can find out the hypotenuse. That's it. Pythagoras law only. Then next, in one problem we will do 5 to 6 problems. Then everything will be cleared in the Rainman problems. All the methods I will cover. Okay? Then. Write the problem. Find the angle. Find the angle with vertical which umbrella should be held. Umbrella should be held if velocity of rain VR bar is equals to 3I minus 4j. VR bar is equals to 3I minus 4j. In that first question, when Vm is equals to 0, nothing but what is the meaning of that? Man is in rest. Man is not moving anywhere, he is just in rest. Then next second question, Vm is equals to 3I cap. Vm is equals to 3I cap. Next third question, Vm is equals to minus I cap. Minus I cap. Then fourth question, Vm is equals to 6I cap. Fourth question, Vm is equals to 6I cap. Then that's it. That's it. Stop there. You just try once. Try with pencils, everything I will explain. In each and every case, you have to find out the angle with which he has to hold the umbrella. ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಆದರೆ ರೆಡಿ
ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂದರೆ in each and every case you have to find out tan theta only. many have you got? First one has 90 degrees.
This 143 degree.
143. Hey, super. First one 0 degrees, sir. First one is 37 degrees. That's the correct answer. That's the correct answer. Minus 4 by 3. That is also wrong only. Wait. Your assumption is wrong. Whatever you have done, that is correct only, but the assumption is wrong. See that velocity of the rain. Velocity of the rain, how much they are saying? 3I minus 4j. Nothing but what they have given. Original velocity, no? Otherwise relative velocity, no? Original velocity, no? You can see clearly that is VR. VR means original velocity. The original velocity is how much? 3I minus 4j. Falling slantly, na, or vertically, na? Vertically. Falling vertically. Vertically means they can give 4j cap only, na? Why should they give 3I also? You understand, na? So everybody taken wrongly, that one only. Only one member has taken correctly, that is Netra only. So the rain is falling slantly, not vertically. If that is falling vertically means they will give directly 4j cap, minus 4j cap only. Okay, so that the rain is falling slantly means in this direction rain is falling. This is the velocity of the rain. How much they said? 3I cap minus 4j cap. Take that in two components. Always you have to take in two components. So 3I cap means along the x-axis how much? 3I cap. Along the y-axis how much? 4j cap. So it is downwards. So only they have given minus 4j. Okay, na? If they have given plus 4j, nothing but rain is falling, rain is going from earth to sky. That is not happens, no, Uday? You have taken that only, I think. So rain is falling downwards, nothing but it is falling along the negative y-axis. So negative y-axis nothing but minus 4j means you have to take it as downward direction. Now the man is standing on the earth. Man is standing on the earth and then he is holding the umbrella. At what angle he will hold the umbrella? That is what question they are asking. So at what angle means you have to take angle with always what I said, with vertical only. If this is theta means this is also what? Theta only. Then tan theta is equals to what I can write? Opposite by adjacent. Who is opposite here? For theta who is opposite? 3 is opposite. Adjacent is how much? 4. By the way, he is in rest. He is not moving anywhere. He is in rest. So that 3 by 4. So that theta is equals to how much? 37 degrees. Clear? Then can you try the next problems? Yes? So only I said to do with pencils. Boys, are you comfortable or otherwise congested agidena? Comfortable only, no? I am asking boys only. Yes, is there means respond please. Stopping method will be easy for this. Stop the man, that's it. Second one? 0. Second, yes, very good. Second one is 0. Second one is 0 degrees with vertical you will get. Very good, very, very good. Very good. Minus 3 by 4 nothing but you can take it as clockwise direction, that's it. In this direction rain is falling. What? Your answer should be First question, theta is equals to 37 degrees, that I have done. Second question, you will get theta is equals to 0 degrees with vertical. Third question, you will get theta is equals to 45 degrees. Fourth question, you will get theta is equals to 37 again, but in the clockwise direction. Otherwise, you will get minus 3/4 here. Those are your answers. Check how many of you got all the answers correctly. Raise your hands. 1, 2 members. That's it. Stop the man, I said. Stop the man. Then you can do that easily. At least how many of you got second one correctly? Theta equals 0 degrees. Yes, good, 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 good. Third one, Harsha? No. You got the third one? Yes. Anybody next class bench, ma? Yes, you got. Fourth one also. Yes, very good. Shall I? Shall I explain? Yes? Listen, listen. So here, first question you understand, right? So rain is not falling vertically downwards. Rain is falling slantly. Slantly nothing but you have to take the components of the rain. One is horizontally how much? 3i cap, and then vertically how much? 4j cap. Now he has to hold the umbrella in this direction. In this direction nothing but theta is equals to 37 with vertical. Anti-clockwise or clockwise? Anti-clockwise. Left side na he is rotating. See, this is a vertical. Now rain is appearing in this direction. I am rotating in which direction? Anti-clockwise direction. So that this is the anti-clockwise direction. Then second question. What is the second question I said? Whenever the velocity of the man is equals to how much? 3i cap. Velocity of the man is how much? 3i cap. Now see, whenever you stop the man, that will be very easy for you. Now again rain is falling in the same rain. Is there any change in the rain velocity? Nothing. So that velocity of the rain is there like this only. What is the horizontal component I said? 3i cap, and then vertical component is 4j cap. Now on the road man is standing. Now the man is moving. He is not standing. Before case what he was doing? He was in rest and then he was observing everything. Now the man is moving with what speed? 3i cap. 3i cap means which direction? Along the positive x-axis. So that he is moving with 3i cap. Now whenever you stop the man, then answer will be easy for you. Otherwise you can do normally VRM also we can do. So let me stop the man. I want to stop the man, nothing but what I have to do? Opposite direction I have to give the same speed. So that 3i cap I am giving here. If I am giving here, nothing but I have to give for the rain also. Yes. Then what happens? 3i and then 3i gets cancelled. Man is already in rest. So that which velocities exist now? Which velocities exist? Only which velocities exist? Vertically. Nothing but rain is falling vertically downwards. So what is the theta? Theta is equals to how much? 0 degrees. Vertically downwards. With respect to the vertical, what is the angle? 0 degrees only. Na? With respect to the horizontal, obviously 90 degrees only. But I said always you have to consider what? With respect to the vertical only. Understand it clearly? Otherwise you don't get this idea. Then you can do the VRM method also. The relative velocity of the rain with respect to the man. What is the formula? VR minus VM. What is the VR value? VR value is how much? 3i minus 4j minus VM is how much? 3i. What is remaining? Only minus 4j is remaining. Minus 4j nothing but what? Rain is falling in vertically downward direction. Relative velocity is vertically downward direction. So that he has to hold the umbrella in vertically upward direction. Rain falling downwards nothing but he has to hold the umbrella in upward direction. So that here tan theta is equals to only opposite is there. There is no adjacent. So that what I can write here, minus 4 by 0. So that what is the value? Infinity. At what angle it will be infinity? At theta is equals to 90 degrees with horizontal. With vertical, what is the angle? 0 degrees only. You don't find that tan theta directly. Theta is equals to 0 degrees with vertical is important. Clear a second question? Then listen the third one. This is the method 2. If you stop the man, then that will be the method 1. Then third question, what is the velocity they have given? Vm is equals to minus I cap, yes. Now again the rain is falling slantly only. Rain is falling slantly. This is how much? 3 I cap. This is the 4 j cap. Now the man is moving. Man is moving with what speed? Minus I cap. Minus I cap nothing but in which direction he is moving? Along the negative x axis. So that I have given I cap here. Minus is given in the direction only, obviously. So that again stop the man. You want to stop the man, nothing but what you have to do? Along the positive x axis you have to give the I. Yes sir. If here you have given nothing but here also you have to give. Yes. Then this man is in rest now. This man is in rest. Now theta here, tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite value here? 3i plus I. Nothing but how much? 4i. That is 4. That divided by what is the value of this is 4. Vertically is 4. Then what happens? Theta is equals to 45 degrees. Let me take this is a method 1. Or method 2 you want to do. Method 2. The relative velocity of the rain with respect to the man, that is Vr bar minus Vm bar. What is the Vr bar value? 3i minus 4j minus Vm is how much? Minus of minus I cap. So that minus I cap. As it is you have to take. Here we have drawn the vector, so only I have not taken the symbol. But here directly problem you are doing. Then 3i plus I, nothing but how much? 4i minus 4j. Then this is the tan theta. Then opposite by adjacent, again how much you will get? Tan theta is equals to 4 by 4. 4 by 4 nothing but theta is equals to 45. Any method you can follow. Next problem. Next problem is a little different, that is Vm is equals to how much they said? 6 I cap. Vm is equals to 6 I cap. Now for this the rain is again falling with the same speed 3i and then 4j. Now man is moving with what speed? 6 I cap. 6 I cap nothing but in this direction he is moving with 6 I cap. Now I want to stop the man. Then what I have to do? Give the same velocity in the opposite direction. Here 6 I cap nothing but here also what? 6 I cap only. Then this man is in now rest. Now he is in rest. Now I have taken 3 I cap along the positive x axis, 6 I cap along the negative x axis. So that where you will get the remaining velocity? Minus 3 only, no, you will get. See this 3 and then 3 gets cancelled. How much is remaining still? Minus 3 is remaining. So that 3 is remaining in this direction, 4 is remaining in the downward direction. Now the velocity is falling in this direction. For example, whenever you are just standing, then what happens? How the velocity will appear? Vertically, downward direction. Now you are increasing your speed, then what happens? For example, initially you are just moving with the less speed, nothing but you are walking. You are walking, nothing but what happens? Then you will find the rain is falling little bit slantly. After that you are just sitting on the bike and then you are moving very fast. Then what happens? Angle will changes or not? Angle will changes from here to here. Understand? Now the resultant velocity is there in this direction. You are able to assume that? Yes. Whenever you are standing, for example, the rain is falling in this direction. Whenever you are walking, then rain is falling like this. Whenever you are running, then rain is falling like this. Correct? So that rain is falling in this direction now. Now theta is equals to tan theta is equals to how much we will get? 3 by 4 only. But same direction or opposite direction? Opposite. Initially also 3 by 4 only. See that? Now the man is holding the umbrella in this direction. In this direction nothing but which direction that is? Clockwise direction. Before he was holding the umbrella in anti-clockwise direction. First case and then fourth case are related. Both are related. See that whenever the rain is falling in this way, then man has to hold the umbrella in this way. So with vertical, what angle? Theta. So that theta, clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise direction. So that tan theta is equals to 3 by 4 is here. Then theta is equals to how much? 37 clockwise direction. Otherwise, you want to get in terms of the relative motion method, VRM is equals to what I can write? VR minus VM. VR is how much? What is the velocity of the rain? 3I minus 4J minus VM is how much? 6I. Then what is remaining for us? 3 gone. How much is remaining? Minus 4J minus 3I is remaining. Then tan theta is equals to what I can write? Minus 4 by minus 3. Then how much angle theta is equals to? 37. Both are in opposite only. So that man has to hold the umbrella in clockwise direction. Clear? Any method you can follow. Copy that. 4 by 3 na 3 by 4? 3 by 4. 3 by 4. We are taking with vertical, no angle. Everything I'll explain again. First of all, copy that. Emma? What is that? Minus 4J nothing but falling vertically downwards. What is the angle with vertically with vertical? What is the angle? 0 degrees only, na? Oh, fine, fine. ಯಾಕೆ ಡಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Copy all the methods. ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು 10 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ರೈನ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಡನ್. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾ? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಬ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right, finished? Shall I explain? Not necessary. I'll explain. If you know, if you said not necessary also I'll explain. Green illa, green ida. So first of all, in the first question, they are saying that the velocity of the rain is how much? 3 minus 4j. Asking that how the man has to hold the umbrella, with what angle, with vertical. So for that purpose, first of all, velocity of the man is how much? First case they are saying 0, nothing but man is at rest. So whenever the man is at rest, he is in rest. Now rain is not falling vertically downwards, it is falling slantly, 3i minus 4j, two components are there. Rain is falling in 2 dimension, not in 1 dimension. So that rain is falling slantly like this. And then it is having 2 components, one is horizontal component is how much? 3i, vertical component is how much? 4j. So that he has to hold the umbrella exactly opposite to the rain. So rain is falling with what angle? Theta is equals to, tan theta is equals to how much? 3/4. So that what will get? Theta equals to 37 degrees. He was holding vertically. Now he find that rain is falling in this direction. So that he has rotated the umbrella in this direction. From here to here he has rotated. From here to here like this he has rotated. So that which direction he is rotating? Anti-clockwise direction. So that anti-clockwise direction. Otherwise directly from here only we can get. If you see the method 2, then VRM is equals to, what is the formula? VR minus VM. VR is how much? 3i minus 4j minus VM is how much? 0. Then tan theta is equals to y component by x component. Y component is how much? 4 and then 3, 4/3. 4/3 na? Horizontally means y by x. Vertically, with vertical nothing but x by y na. So that how much that is? 3/4. 4/3 also correct only. But what is the angle you will get? 53. 53 with respect to the horizontal means 37 with respect to the vertical. That is what the answer. Yes sir. Then next one. Next one, whenever the man is moving with the velocity 3i cap. So at that time you can get either in any method. For example, relative velocity method if you find. VRM is equals to, what is the formula? VR minus VM. VR is how much? 3i minus 4j. VM is how much? They said 3i. So that 3i gets cancelled. Minus 4j is the answer. Minus 4j means, the meaning of that is rain is falling vertically in downward direction. If rain is falling vertically in downward direction, how he has to hold the umbrella? Opposite to the rain. Nothing but in which direction? Vertical direction. What is the angle with vertical? 0 degrees. So that 0 degrees is the answer for this. Okay. Then third case. Otherwise you can stop the man also. Whenever you want to stop the man, he is moving along which axis? Positive x-axis. So you have to apply the same velocity along the negative x-axis. So that 3i cap is there in this direction. This both gets cancelled. What will be there here? 0 velocity. 0 velocity is meaning is what? He is in rest. Now whenever you apply opposite velocity for the man, you have to apply opposite velocity for the rain also. Then what happens? 3i gets cancelled here. Now which velocity exists? Only vertical velocities exist. Nothing but rain is falling only vertically downward direction. That is the answer for that. Then next case, whenever the man is moving with minus I cap. Minus I cap nothing but he is moving in which direction? Negative x-axis direction. So that negative x-axis direction I cap. I want to stop the man. So that what I have to do? I have to apply the same velocity along the positive x-axis. Then he is in rest. I have applied the velocity here means I have to apply for the rain also. Yes. So the total horizontal component is how much now? 4i. Vertical component is how much? 4j. What is the angle there? Theta is equals to 45 degrees. Otherwise, VRM is equals to VR minus VM. VR is how much? VR is 3i minus 4j they have given in the problem. Minus VM is how much? Minus I cap. Minus of minus becomes what here? Plus. Then what is remaining here? 4i and then 4j. Horizontal and then vertical both are equal. So what is the angle? Theta is equals to 45 degrees again. Then next last case. VM is equals to 6i. Now the man's speed is doubled as compared to this case. This is 3i, this is how much now? 6i. So that initially he was in rest. So that rain was falling slantly in which direction? Like this. I am only standing here. Whenever I am in rest, the rain was falling on me like this. So that I hold the umbrella in this way. Whenever I am moving with 3 meters per second, then rain is appearing vertically downwards. I hold the umbrella like this. Whenever I increase my speed, then the rain is falling in this direction. So that I hold the umbrella in this way. See, these 3 cases are related. This case and then that case, last case. Whenever the velocity of the man is 0, then what happening? Rain is falling from backward direction. So I have to hold my umbrella in this way. Whenever I am moving with the same speed of the rain in horizontal direction, what happens? Nothing but horizontal gets cancelled. Only vertically exists. So that I hold the umbrella in this way. Whenever I increase my speed, double than this value, then what happens? Nothing but the rain will changes from here to here in this direction. So that I have to hold my umbrella in this way. Before, backwards. After that, whenever the velocity of the man is 3 I cap, at that time vertically. Then whenever I increase my speed, then again what we have to put? We have to put the umbrella in forward direction. So here he is increasing his speed with what velocity? 6 I cap. I want to stop the man, then apply opposite velocity. Same apply opposite velocity for the rain also. In this 3 gets cancelled. How much is exist now? 3 IEs exist. 3 IEs exist. 4 JEs exist. Then relative velocity will be there slantly in this direction. So what is the angle? Theta is equals to tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Who is opposite here? 3 divided by 4. But now direction is changed. With vertical, I have hold the umbrella in this way. So that only I have written that as clockwise direction. Otherwise, if you take the VRM formula, VR minus VM. VR is how much? 3I minus 4J as it is. VM is how much? 6I. So that 6I. So what is remaining? Minus 4 minus 3. This minus indicates that along the negative x-axis, along the negative y-axis. So theta is equals to how much again? 37 degrees only. 37 degrees in clockwise direction. Clear? Huh? Yes. Next, write a problem. Next one, very important model. To a man walking at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour. To a man walking at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour, rain appears to fall. Vertically. Appears nothing but relative velocity of the rain with respect to the man. Vertically, full stop. When he increases his speed, to 6 kilometers per hour, increases to 6 kilometers per hour, it appears to meet him at an angle 45 degrees with vertical. Full stop. Find the angle made by the velocity of rain, with vertical and its value. Let me repeat the question. To a man walking at a rate of 3 kilometers per hour, the rain appears to fall vertically. When he increases his speed to 6 kilometers per hour, it appears to meet him at an angle 45 degrees with vertical. Then find the angle made by the velocity of rain with respect to the vertical with its value. Read the question properly, understand. Completely new method, this one is new problem. Is done? What's the angle? What's the angle you got? Angle and then value. No. 45 degrees is the angle. 45 degrees is the angle of the original velocity of the rain. You got that? Cheppelaga?
Walking at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour. ఇది వదిలేస్తాను మనం సెకండ్కి 6 kilometers per hour. Appears to meet him at an angle. Like this.
Correct.
With vertical it is making 45. Means here also it is 45. They are asking find the angle made by velocity of rain with vertical. Like this. Obviously.
That's good. What about the value? Velocity of the rain value also they are asking its value. This whatever you described is correct only, but you cannot find out the value from there directly. Find the angle if possible. Theta is 45. Theta is 45 and then velocity is 3√2. Yes, you got? Very good, Netra, very good. Anybody? Velocity of the rain is 3√2 kilometers per second, kilometer per hour? Kilometers per hour. Did you got the assignment whichever I have given? They have given assignment Xerox. You got that?
Who don't have material only they took.
They only took.
Andhra.
You can. Same only. Shall I? Yes? It is a little difficult only, logic based problem. So here, what happening whenever the man is moving? Time is over, huh? What is the time? Exact time is?
120.
Yes, time is there. So that whenever the man is moving, velocity of the man is, what velocity they said? Man is moving with 3 kilometers per hour, 3 kmph. Listen properly, this is purely logic based problem. So at that time what happening? Rain is appearing nothing but what velocity? Relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Appears in which direction? Vertically downward direction. So that this is the velocity of the rain with respect to the man, that is vertically downward direction. Now where the velocity of the rain will be? In which direction it will be there? Slantly like this only, na? Yes, sir. So that slantly like this. Now whenever he is increasing his speed, 3 more he is increasing. Whenever 6 na, he is increased to 6 nothing but he is increasing by how much? 3 more, right? So make the same diagram only again. 3 already is there. How much he is increasing with? 3 more. So that this is 3 kmph. Then rain is falling. Rain is appearing at what angle? Theta is equals to 45 degrees. Clear? Huh? Then you have to find out this angle. What is this angle? Here opposite is how much? 3. Here also opposite is how much? 3 only. What is the vertical value here? Here VRM only. Here also VRM only. So what will you get? Theta is equals to how much? 45 only, na? So take this one first of all. Let me take this VRM, I will take as Y. For the simplicity purpose, I will take it as YJ cap. Then from this triangle, tan 45 is equals to what I can write? 3 by Y. 3 by Y. From this triangle, what I can write? Tan theta is equals to? Tan theta is equals to 3 divided by Y. Both are 3 by Y only. So that this theta also how much? Theta is equals to 45 degrees.
Why is 3?
Correct? So that whenever this is 45, then this one is how much they said? 3 kilometers per hour. So this value is how much? 45 means 3 only, na? What is the doubt in that? Now where is the original velocity of the rain before first case? In which direction it was?
40.
Relative velocity, original velocity I am asking. In this direction, no? Slantly it is there like this. So that this is 3 means this will be how much? 3 root 2. So that the theta is how much? 45 degrees. And then velocity of the rain is how much? 3 root 2 kilometers per hour. Clear, I understand, right? If you don't understand, don't worry. I will take the class in the evening again. Not in the afternoon. Afternoon sir will take, chemistry sir will take. Evening I will take. In evening study hours I will take the class. Why? Because on Saturday I have to get 2 classes. On that day you got the study hour, no? In the afternoon, that class will be shifted to here. Evening I will take the class and then I will explain this problem again for you in the evening. And after that, boatman